There she goes.
I'll probably jump and scream when it happens. Oh,
well, it'll be on tape, so. Oh!
That was rather anticlimactic.
That was not what I was hoping.
I think you're supposed to really.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be the quick review of the equipment I use for deflating my tires and inflating my tires after off-roading. So, you know, one of the things you got to do before you go off-roading is air down those tires so you can get the maximum traction, maximum tire patch on the mud and the rocks, and then obviously at the end of the day you have to reinflate your tire. So quick video on the things I have. I think I got the setup dialed in. Really looking forward to using this equipment next weekend up at Rausch Creek. Got the Knack Fest, got the XJ all ready to go, just passed inspection, so let's dive in. Okay, so we'll do this in order of execution. So the first thing up for review is the tire deflator. So Mr. J Tom, my buddy Jordan, had one of these when we went up off-roading last year, and it made life super easy to deflate. So this is the equipment. You get a little bag, gets little doodads, which is nice. But the beautiful thing is, well, I'll just show you, but I'll put a link in my Amazon store. I think it was like $29, $30. ARB makes another one that's like 40 or 50 bucks. Whether you go with this one or the ARB one, it is pretty affordable, so you don't want to miss out on something that makes your life super simple. So let's go to the Jeep and see how this works. Okay, so real easy process to deflate your tires. So you take off the valve cap. So you got your valve stem and your Schrader valve inside. So the old way of doing it would be that little silver tool, and you would take out the Schrader valve, hold on to it, hope to God you didn't drop it, and then reinstall it. This is way better. Check it out. So part one, this here goes on the valve stem threads. It's raining too. I like you guys so much, and I care about educating and helping people that I'll do this in the rain. Part two is, now that you have this on the valve stem threads, you want to use this little dial for the Schrader valve release. And you'll feel once it clicks in, a little air pressure is going to come out, right guys? Okay. This little collar slides back and forth, and that's how you release the pressure. Lock it in now and again, just test. Again, you're going to put your air pressure down to whatever you're good with. Okay, let's say we're going to run 10 psi today. All right, and the next thing you do is hold it tight, and you're going to reinstall your Schrader valve with that little screw thing on top. You'll feel it lock in, and then you release the valve stem threads. Schrader valves in place, tire is aired down, valve cap back on, blammo, done. Okay, now that we've aired down, we're going to need to air up our tires. So check this bad boy out. This is a PowerTank heavy-duty tire inflator. So this one is a little pricier. You can definitely find ones that are a lot cheaper. But again, after hanging at Mr. J Time's garage, I saw what he had, and I instantly fell in love with it. So I had to have it. It's under $100, but let's get to getting. Hold on. Get this box out here. It's a PowerTank. I'll put the link in the description. That's the part number, guys. I'm getting it. Oh, boy. Okay, yoink. Good there. So I'll do it like this. You know it's pretty fancy when A, they put it in a plastic bag, and B, they give it a little sleeping bag. So this thing is, looks like billet aluminum, and this is the best part. I'll try to get the glare. The gauge is liquid filled. So part one, that really drew my attention to this was the liquid filled gauge. I don't know, I just liked it. This is the money right here. This is a press-on chuck, and it's just built heavy duty. When you pick this bad boy up, it's quality. And oh, you also have air downs too. So if you have your onboard air, you just click this right in to your air supply and air up and head for home. So let's go see how this airs down. Airs up your tires. All right, let's go air up these tires. You see I have onboard air. I'll leave a link up in the video here so you can see my onboard air install video. But this is the setup I was running before. I mean, it's functional and everything, but that's a whole lot better. How sexy is that? All right, let's go air these tires up. All right, let's get them aired up. Get the valve cap off. This literally just pushes in. I love onboard air. You can also release a little pressure here too. Cool. Okay, she's done. Ready to hit the road. How easy was that, guys? Put the valve cap back on. She's all set. All right, hope you found this video helpful. Again, you know, airing up and airing down is a pretty important part of any wheeling trip, and using the right tools makes things a lot easier. And I'll tell you what, that tire inflator, you're going to want to inflate everybody's tires. That thing is so slick. So look, we'll be at Roush Creek next weekend, June 17th and 18th at NACFest. So all the XJs and Wranglers and YJs and TJs will be out there, and buggies, MJs. It's going to be great. So hope to see you out there. Take care of yourselves, take care of Jeeps, and we'll catch you on the next video. See ya.